Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today video title is guys Applock setting in your Redmi phone. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys how can you unlock your apps in your Redmi phone. Applock setting guys. As you can see guys, you have logged your YouTube app, like guys your Instagram app, your WhatsApp app guys, your Gmail guys, like Chrome app guys, like that guys. This app guys you have logged in your Redmi phone, and guys you want to unlock guys some apps, and guys some apps guys you want to lock. So guys, how can you unlock your apps in your Redmi phone? In this video guys, I am going to show you friends. So guys, now let's see how to unlock apps. So first of all guys, open your phone setting to unlock your apps. Then guys, enter your password and guys scroll it, and guys you can see your app settings. So guys, tap here, guys click on your Applock setting, and guys enter your password. So which app guys you want to unlock guys, you can see your Applock list. So as you can unlock from here. If you want to unlock your YouTube, like your gallery guys, messages, like your music guys you want to unlock guys, you want to unlock your game like free file, like this file. So guys you can unlock, and guys you don't want to unlock this app, so I don't click on this icon guys, only blue icon guys click, so your app will unlock guys. Right to studio also we will not, calendar also. Then guys off your phone first of all. Then guys you can see the phone will refresh. Then guys now you can see guys, when you will open YouTube, so you don't need to enter your password, and guys when you will open your like your game, so you don't need to enter password. So I hope friends you have understood how to unlock apps in our Redmi phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. So guys, now we will meet on guys next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye.